Hi guys, how are you? How are you today? And welcome back again. So today someone's been being naughty and so there's a rumor like a couple of weeks ago there's a new action camera that the Dji Osmo have produced. So I think hubby's been very secretive. So I think he's been looking at, because I was looking at his computer and I saw that he's browsing on this thingy. So and it arrived today. So the hassle that he told me that there's a the struggle is real. It all came all the way from China, but I don't know if it's made from China or what. So let's just find out. So this is the DJI, what's his name, Osmo Action camera. So let's have a look what it looks like. And yeah, so let's go and let's do the unboxing. So this is it. Found this on the doorstep today. So let's do the unboxing. So let's get the specs out of the way first, and then you can see the unboxing, and I'm so excited about it. Now let's start. Okay. Ooh. What is this? Pretty small box. Open. So let's open this. Oh my God. Dji Osmo. Well, it doesn't look fake even though it's made in China. So it comes with that. That one. And this comes in a box. So that one there. What's this? It comes with a lens pen. What's lens pen? That one. Oh, it also comes with a memory card. 60. Oh, it is made in China, alright. 64 gig. Right. Oh, that's actually paid separately. Duh. Oh, no, not really. It's not paid separately, but it comes all together. So let's start with a pen. This is lens pen. What? Let's open it from the bottom. Oh, yay. What's this? So it's a screen pen, a lens pen. I don't know what's this for, but look at this. Oh, it's to clean the lens. That is actually good. Clean the lens. How do you open this? It's actually to clean the lens. So let's open it. Ah, so that comes with that. Is it? Yeah. I don't even know what's the use for. Ah, it's to clean the lens. Oh, I can make it for eye makeup. So it's a lens pen. Oh, that's pretty cool. You press it and then push it in. So is that what it does? What's this? What the? What is this? I don't know what that is, but it looks like a stamp. So that's the pen. Now let's go ahead. Oh my golly gosh. I don't want to ruin the packaging. So, let's open this. How do you open this stupid thing? What the? Waterproof 11 meters. Oh, let's get rid of the plastic first, of course. What? So it says here in the back, dual screen. What? It got a dual screen? HDR, waterproof, 11 meters. I don't know what that means. 4K, 60 frames per second, 1080p times action camera battery. So now let's open the Dji Osmo Action camera. Oh my goodness. Let's have a look. Open this. You can't see. Hello. Very small. Oh my god. And it's got a camera too. It's got a camera. Oh, of course it is a camera. So it's got this and the screen, and there's another screen in the back. So it's like GoPro or Sony or something. So it's got a speaker here, the on button, and this one. But I'll let you have a look close up look. So QS. It's a battery in there. Let me see. So that's the other content of the box. So what? Oh, this just this is the charger. Yep, I think that's a charger and a cable. Charger and a cable. A hook. What do you call this?
For helmets.
For helmet. So that one comes with that. Another attachment. So that one. And what is this? It comes with a little box. What? It's so cute. Duh, there's no battery. Put a battery in first. Oh yeah, it's a battery. It's got a really cute container, battery container. And the memory card stays there. The house of the memory card. So let's put it in. What?
It's a rubber seal for it to be waterproof.
Oh yeah, it is waterproof. What? So just put the camera in. I mean the battery in, and let's turn it on. No, it sounds like China. It really does. So it's trying to tell me to set up English. Oh, it is? Hala! It is. Activate with DJI Memo. Oh no, you gotta activate with the phone. So you gotta activate it with the phone. So you just scan. This is the first so yeah, you're gonna download the app DJI Memo. It's like that. It's not focusing. Is it focusing? DJI Memo. So yeah, DJI Memo. It's actually pretty good. The color is gray. What does this did? Did I turn it off? Deactivated it. Oh, actually, you can.
Yeah, that's all from here.
No, I don't think so. So you can see their video, photo, HD art. Oh, it's got a time lapse. It's also got a time lapse.
Front view camera.
So that's. Let's just try video. Ah, that's 4K. How do you change the 4K? Custom. Let's try the video. So we'll try the video and then I'll show you the quality on this one. So let's try record. So you gotta activate before you can record.
Front view.
What's front view? You really do activate it. So that's how it looks like. It's got a small screen here in the front and a big screen in the back, and the power display is here. Record button here. The battery is in the bottom, and yeah, pretty much. How you got it?
Anyway,
So can you pass me the copy? Lee?
what copy?
That one. I actually got a copy, guys, of the specs. I'm gonna read it to you. My copy, my note. So dual screens allow you to capture with a touch of a button. So with this, I presume this button here. Front screen. A vivid front screen lets your frame user effortlessly. What was that? RockSteady combines EAIS with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shake-free footage no matter how heavy the action gets. So it's shake-free. So let's just see and try. So it's 4K at 60 frames and 8 times slow motion. So you can slow motion for 8 times. HDR, automatic time-lapse. H2 image processor. Voice control. Oh, actually that's pretty good. 5 voice commands. So it's got 5 voice commands. Single AEB continuous shooting, countdown shooting, multiple continuous shooting, and interval shooting. Built impact 3 safe from the elements. So the lens features 3 aspherical layers that effectively reduces glare and distortion, delivering crystal clear image between in direct sunlight. Protective anti-fingerprint coating on the lens cap. Right. What repels oil, dirt, water, and small particles, enabling you to continue filming with excision. Terrains get tough. -10 temperature resistant, versatile batteries perform well even in extremely cold environments with temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. So all this, the full specs will be at the description below. So check it out if you want to see what is the full specs of this camera. And I'll insert the footage of this. I might go outside and then I'll show you what it looks like. We compared to, let's just compare to iPhone 10, the footage of this and iPhone 10. So this is it, the new, what's the date on this? What's the date?
What date?
What's the date?
Today?
No, this is released. What year?
Oh, no, a week ago.
Seriously?
Week and a half ago.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no, probably 2 weeks ago.
So this has been just released 2 weeks ago. So let's give it a try. So that's it. So that's all for the unboxing. It's not only 8 minutes. Unboxing of the Dji Osmo 2019 version. So let's try to turn it on again. What? That's a sound strange.
Where's the camera?
Camera.
Scan code.
Slow mo.
Scan code.
What? Oh, hang on. Where was that? Ah, there. So Chavi is just trying to upload it on the, download the app. Just maybe it's actually in there, Dee. It's in the box there. And you gotta put SD card. Where's the SD card, Dee?
What's the box?
Just some in the box in the back. In the back, there. So what is this? What's this?
SD card. Hey, tell you.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, we'll show you the footage of that, and compared to iPhone 10 or compared to GoPro, we have the oldest version of GoPro, so we just compare both. And then yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and yeah, like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.